Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawanda Shapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shong.
Menteri Ketenat ki Kampok Ying jong ke Sarkar Jela ubak lak kemen Remboi ulong baka Jingpyrshah jong ki Hinreu Shnong ban Theh Jaboh Mynkjai kalong ke Shong Nongrim namar baki lama dia kini ke Jing'e Kabami ni ke Jingsma iutung la bon snem bad banadu mensyua laong baka jaka Theh Jaboh Mynkjai kan long tang ke Shipor Hagajo kapor ulong baka Jing'ai quit notice jong ki wehe Shnong Jowai kadai ke Bamla ban Pediang Henry ubala kemen ulong bahap ban yetrailang barok ban laj na kani ke Jing'e badu kubur bakadai ke kamram jong ke Sarkar ka bahap ban wadi hilat kilenti ban penkut ya kani ke Jing'e susu ubala kemen ulong baka jowai ka don ke municipal board ke district council ki bor penyai district bat ke dorbar Shnong bat kaladai ka por barok kini kidai ban yetrailang bat ke jowai kan laj na ke Jing'e
Long-pending issue. If you recall, in 1990s, the garbage was dumped near Mentu River in this Resasim area. After that, in 1993-94, I don't remember exactly the year, then it is shifted to Mynkjai. There, since that time, the people are opposite because the way the garbage is disposed and is a threat to the people living in that area, because that place which they have dumped the garbage is in the middle of the area between Muput, Mustem, Penthor, Samanong, Maranterpait, Salang area. And since that time, the people of that area are agitating, requested that the garbage should not be dumped there. And if you recall, WJSU and other social organizations have demand and the senjuk kirong Shnong of that area. Then ultimately in 2017, the garbage has been shifted only about 200 meter air distance from the place. And 2017 also the people are objecting because that is only shifting from the roadside to the side, which is about 150 meters from the road. So the people of that area are very agitated. You should remember that it is not the habitation come after the landfill. The habitation is already there since a long time back. And then this landfill, the people are agitating, but it is doing that. But after the constant agitating by the people of that area in this March, the district administration decided to stop dumping of garbage there. So that is the genesis of the thing. But under municipal and this council tried other location, but due to some thing or other they could not do, and for the last 3 weeks the garbage in Jowai is lying there, which is a very sad thing. The people are suffering. Then on the 8th of this month, the subdivision, the DC decided that in Mynkjai it is just a dumping ground without following any rules in existence. And moreover, NGT order ruling in 2017 have already specified what is the do's and don't. So it is, and me also as a Minister of Environment, when I was a Minister of Environment, when I hold that portfolio, the Pollution Control Board, the Environment wing of the forest have held a series of meetings with district administration and also the municipal board to see that this how to manage the waste. But nothing materialized. I have held myself a meeting when I was a Minister of Forest and Environment, where the urban, the municipal, the this council and district administration impress upon them, not only in Mynkjai but all over the state. The time has come that the government should seriously think about the waste management. So that meeting, in that meeting also, the issue about Mynkjai landfill have been raised, and we have told in that meeting the resolution is that they should find the alternative site for that, which it is not happened. So the people are suffering, and Jwai also are suffer in this situation. But what does Sanjuk Tiwai Shnong Jwai have expressed quit notice against those Henry Shnong, and then Sanjuk Tiwai Shnong, it's unacceptable. Now, if the Jwai for the last 3 weeks they could not dump the garbage anywhere, they feel the pinch that how this garbage have hurt the health, the issue and other things. So how those people for the last 10-15 years they face. So it is not, instead of trying to join hands together to solve this issue, it is not acceptable. So the time has come that all the Shnong, all the villagers have to join hands to how to manage the waste. To tell frankly, the story of Jwai is quite different. Different in the sense that there is a district council, there is a municipal board, and there is a Darbar Shnong, and there is a district administration. So the time has come that all of this body come together so to solve this issue. Because as I said, that from 1990, temporarily shifted to Mynkjai temporarily, this temporary will not work anymore. We have to find a permanent solution. So waste, garbage is not a garbage. If we follow some percentage of the solid waste management rule, then the issue of the garbage reaching the landfill is very, very minimal. And more importantly, this is my personal opinion, that especially in the urban area, the urban department, the MUDA, or the authority which grant the building permission, there should be a provision that some site for, like we are doing for water harvesting, there should be some provision for the disposing of the organic waste in that itself, so that all the waste will not reach the landfill, which create the problem for the people, for the municipal, and for the residents of any particular area. So I hope that solution could be arrived, permanent solution could be arrived, not only for Jwai, all over the state. The opposition by this Henry Shnong, Yo Shnong is quite justified. It's quite justified. So that's why we have to find alternative measures. So as a government, as a person, we cannot shy away from our responsibility. We take everything as a temporary. So temporary will never solve. So the time has come that the government should take that this issue of garbage management is one of the very important issue, or if we want to talk about beautifying or village, beautifying or city, and this issue now it starts in urban, it will reach the village level in due course of time.